How to disable Ctrl+Shift+U. Ctrl+Shift+U is a combined shortcut in Eclipse. But when I press it, it shows up a U, just like input with an underline. I guess this shortcut has been declared by Ubuntu, so I can't use it. I used to solve this problem by typing caps lock first. Is there any better method?
Found a way to unbind it on Ubuntu 13.10. Go to language support on system settings and change the keyboard input method system to none. Then restart the system or just log out and log in.
Problem. The problem is that with the IBoo's input method, Ctrl+Shift+U is by default configured to the Unicode code point shortcut. You can try this. Type Ctrl+Shift+U, then an underlined U appears. If you then type a Unicode code point number in hex, for example 21, the ASCII/Unicode CP4, and press enter, it is replaced with the corresponding character. Solution: Ooh. This shortcut can be changed or disabled using the iboo's setup utility. Run iboo's setup from the terminal, or open iboo's preferences. Go to emoji. Next to Unicode code point, click on the three dots, i.e. ... In the dialog, click delete, then OK. Close the iboo's preferences window. Solution: Ply. If you want to script this, the Unicode hotkey can also be disabled using settings like this.
Ubuntu 18.04 solution. At Shmulika's answer was close, but unfortunately, selecting none did not work for me. I can confirm the process below works in 18.04 as of April 2019. Open search using superkey, aka Win for folks like me. Type language support and hit enter. Click the keyboard input method system drop-down menu and select Zin. Click Close. Reboot. When I logged back in, I was able to set Ctrl+Shift+U as a shortcut in Visual Studio Code.
I use Ubuntu 18.10 and had trouble in a particular app, IntelliJ IDEA. In this is Ubuntu answer, Kevin Tehrani shows a setting that works for me in that setting. Set these modifiers to an empty string before running your application. In my case, my app.sh was idea.sh, and I added the line inside the file. This way, my desktop shortcut still works. Modifiers apparently changes the way Gem and iboo's works, and when it's cleared, it disables the Ctrl+Shift+U combo, allowing it to filter into the current app.